Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best drawing tablets. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the drawing tablets in the video, just subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with a hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best drawing tablets on the market right now. Coming at number 9, we've got the XP Pen Star G640. Drawing tablets aren't just for creating digital art. The XP Pen Star G640 is designed specifically for playing OSU. You won't have to download any extra or special drivers to be able to use the tablet with this game. It's ready to go right out of the box. The maximum report rate has been increased from previous models to 266 reports per second, RPS, for quicker, smoother lines and dots to make gameplay easier. The included stylus is battery-free, meaning you won't have to charge it or replace a dead battery in the middle of the game. The stylus recognizes almost 8,200 pressure levels to create fine lines while sketching and makes playing OSU more enjoyable. It also comes with 20 replacement nibs, so you can always have a quality writing tip at hand. The surface of the tablet gives you 24 square inches of work surface for creating art or playing games. Both the tablet and the pen can be configured for right or left-handed use. Coming at number 8, Ainsl LCD Writing Tablet. If you have little ones who are starting to show an interest in digital or traditional art, the Ainsl LCD Writing Tablet is the perfect starting point for them. Kids can write, draw, and doodle to their heart's content with this LCD tablet. They can reveal a rainbow of colors as they create their own works of art, and erase it all and start again with a simple press of a button. There is a screen lock switch to prevent your child from accidentally erasing their drawing before they're done. The tablet runs on a button battery and can last up to 12 months before it needs to be replaced. The tablet measures just 10 inches diagonally, making it easy to slip into a backpack or bag to take on long plane and car rides or to a friend's house for quiet, creative play. The included stylus is designed to feel like a traditional pencil and make drawing and writing easier for your child. Coming at number 7, Wacom Cintiq 16. If you're an art and animation industry professional looking to make a serious investment in a drawing tablet with a screen, take a look at the Wacom Cintiq 16. The Cintiq 16 comes in 2 different sizes to give you plenty of room for creating animatics and still art at 15.6 inches and 21.5 inches. The Pro Pen 2 recognizes almost 8,200 levels of pressure sensitivity and up to 60 degrees of tilt for more natural drawing and sketching. It's also battery-free, drawing all the power it needs from the Cintiq 16 itself, so you never have to worry about a dead pen in the middle of an important project. The HD display features an anti-glare coating to cut down on distracting reflections and light glare. There are foldable feet on the back of the tablet to give you up to 19 degrees of tilt to make working more comfortable. The Cintiq 16 can connect to your computer or mobile device via a 3-in-1 HDMI cable. It also comes with a free copy of Clip Studio Paint Pro to supplement your favorite art programs. Number 6, Wacom Intuos Pro. The Intuos Pro is Wacom's mid-tier drawing tablet and is designed to be used with Adobe Photoshop and Lightroom. It comes with a 2-month subscription to Adobe Creative Cloud's Photo Plan, which includes both Lightroom and Photoshop. The Active Pen recognizes nearly 8,200 levels of pressure sensitivity, so you can use a variety of brushstrokes and edit photos with unparalleled precision. The pen and tablet have low latency lag for almost real-time reactions. The tablet itself measures 13 inches diagonally with an 8.7-inch work surface that is capable of touch gestures as well as pen reactions to speed up and streamline your workflow. The tablet and pen are made from anodized aluminum and fiberglass composite resin for long-lasting durability and style. The Intuos Pro can wirelessly connect to your Mac, PC, or mobile device via Bluetooth for a clutter-free workspace. It also comes with a stand to keep your Wacom Active Pen safely stored and ready to deploy on a whim. Coming in at number 5, Huion H420. If you're a graphic designer who works primarily with vector images, the Huion H420 is the right drawing tablet for you. This tablet is compatible with most major vector graphic programs, including Corel Painter, Corel Draw, Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Fireworks, Macromedia Flash, and Autodesk Maya. It's also compatible with both Windows and Mac computers, so you can create crisp logos and page banners no matter what operating system you're used to. The USB cable provides all the power your tablet needs to start making art, plus it removes the need for complicated driver setup processes with plug-and-play functionality. The included Active Pen responds to over 2,000 levels of pressure sensitivity to adapt to almost any art style. The H420 features 3 hotkeys to quickly save your work or open and close tabs and programs. The tablet comes packaged with everything you need to get started: Active Pen, USB cable, spare pen nibs, nib removal tool, user manual, driver CD, cleaning kit, storage bag, and drawing glove. Coming at number 4, Simban's Picasso Tab. If you're an animator or a digital artist looking to dabble in animation, check out the Simban's Picasso Tab. This 10-inch drawing tablet runs on Google Android 8.1 and has a quad-core processor for superior speed and power to handle even the most demanding art applications. It also comes with a preloaded drawing app, Autodesk Sketchbook, to help artists and animators test out the tablet's compatibilities before downloading their favorite digital art apps. The tablet comes with 32 gigabytes of internal storage and features a micro SD card slot for memory expansion. The Picasso Tab comes packaged with a US and UK wall power adapter, a protective case, a pre-installed screen protector, and an Active Pen. The tablet can connect to a computer or television with a micro HDMI or USB-C wired connection, and it also has Wi-Fi compatibilities to download any app you need to create short animatics and still art. Number 3, Wacom One by Wacom. Wacom is another brand trusted by industry professionals. Its graphic drawing tablet for beginners is designed to make digital art more accessible for folks just starting out. With a price point that's easy on the wallet, this tablet still delivers all of the features you need to create stunning digital art. The tablet itself comes in 2 different sizes, 22 and 45 square inches, to give you plenty of room to paint, draw, and sketch. The tablet can also be configured for both left and right-handed artists to ensure its use is comfortable. The included pen responds to over 2,000 different levels of pressure sensitivity to help you draw just about any design you can dream up. The pen and tablet are also battery-free, so they're ready to work whenever you are. The included USB cable provides all the power your tablet needs. The drawing tablet is compatible with tablets and computers, as well as with popular art programs like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, Corel Painter, and Manga Studio. Coming at number 2, Apple iPad Pro 12.9-inch. In recent years, the iPad has established itself as the go-to tablet for aspiring and professional digital artists. The new iPad Pro continues that tradition with display options of 11 or 12.9 inches, giving you plenty of room to paint, sketch, and edit photos. The iPad Pro is built with Apple's new A12X chipset, allowing it to perform up to 5 trillion operations per second, and making it the fastest iPad to date. Internal storage options range from 256 gigabytes to a whopping 1 terabyte, and you can connect a compatible external hard drive via USB-C, so you never have to worry about running out of storage. The battery supports up to 10 hours of use and charges quickly with Apple's Lightning cable connection. The iPad Pro has Wi-Fi and gigabit class LTE connectivity options, so you can create and share your artwork with an internet or cellular connection. Number 1. XP Pen Artist 12. Whether you're a professional digital artist or just like to doodle from time to time, a drawing tablet is an essential piece of tech for creating digital painting and sketches. The XP Pen Artist 12 is the best choice for both professional and hobby artists. It features a true HD display that provides vivid colors and sharp details, even when zoomed in. It also boasts a touch bar that can be programmed to zoom, scroll, and select specific areas of your canvas. The 6 programmable hotkeys help make digital painting and drawing quick and easy. The Artist 12 comes with a dedicated drawing pen that was designed to feel like a traditional pencil. The hexagonal shape and non-slip grip make it comfortable to hold even during long drawing sessions. The pen also features an eraser on the back end to quickly make mistakes a thing of the past. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best drawing tablets. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments, what is your favorite one? And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.